How to download MetaTrader 5 application on your PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download MetaTrader 5 application on your PC. So first thing, simply head over to any of your browser and simply search in for MetaTrader 5 application. Searching for that, you will have to click on this second link. Just ignore the first one, it's a fake one. So from over here you can simply click on download and you'll be redirected to this page where you can see download MetaTrader 5 for Windows. So if you are using Windows, you can simply click on this. As I'm using Windows, I'll just click on this. If you're using other operating systems like Linux or Mac OS, you can try these options over here. You can also get it on Google Play and App Store if you are using Android and iOS. So let me just wait for the download to happen. So as you can see, it has been successfully downloaded on my computer. So just open it from over here, and from over here what you can do is simply click on yes and proceed with the installation process. And just you have to sign up for your MetaTrader 5 registration. So once you do that, from over here you can also simply log in with your Gmail or Google account. So once you do that, you will have successfully downloaded and installed MetaTrader application on your PC. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.